Okay, guys, welcome to Harold's Nitro World. First of all, tend to forget to say that we are gonna rebuild some MGT shocks. Not the rebuild isn't MGT specific or nothing. They're just how to rebuild shocks in general. I've done my Revo ones, my Savage ones. Now it's time to do the MGT ones. So we get all the bottom spring keepers that hold the spring onto the shock. Take that off. You can see that here. So you pull like this, grab that spring. This will slide back, and you just slide her off. Right? And then one, two. Keep your springs and everything kind of organized. 2. Okay, come on. Grab that. Another one. Bang. That's 3. The MGT has 8 shocks, so we are going to have to do a rebuild of 8 shocks. This one is okay, that's fine. Okay, come on. Come on. Some of these shocks are super old, so they're going to be a little stiff. You definitely got to use your muscles a little bit and pull them back. Have a little bit of finger strength. There we go. Now you're gonna want to. I just got a decent little rag here. You're just gonna want to go around, clean each end up. These are your little like spring stoppers. So each shock will have a set. So one shock. Like, look at this thing. Wow. Oof. Okay. So 4 of these have more than the others. That's good to remember. Clean that off. Okay. Next one. There we go. Next one. And then this last one. Getting all that muck off of them. Okay, perfect. The box is here. 4 of them. Okay. 1. Okay. Drain them out. Do this a couple times. There we go. Drop her in the box. There we go. Next one. There. That guy in the box. Go. Left one there. Okay. 2 more. Yeah, 2 more after this one. Go. Last one. Okay. One more. Get all that out. And then you're going to go on Google, look up what weight shock fluid your truck runs or what people like in it. Mine's an MGT 8.0, so pretty thick fluid because it's a pretty heavy truck. Then you fill it like this. Get it just topped up, just enough. Leave a little bit on the top just so there's enough room for the shock to travel up all the way to the top. There you go. Oh, that one's a little too much. That's okay. Get some of that out. Okay. And then you let them sit for 5 minutes. So we are going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I found one of these because one of them was broken. So yeah, that one was broken. So I wanted to replace it. Just good to replace, you know. There we go. So now you're going to want to grab a shock. What you're going to want to do is slowly bring this up. It's going to look like it wants to push the fluid out, but it won't if it's not too full. And that's just going to let out all that air that is in there. And then after, you might need to even top them up just a little bit. There you go. Let's do it one more time. Even just a little bit more. Okay, there you go. At the very end, your shock should look like that. Just barely full. Like, give it a little bit on the top just so it has some room. Then you spin it back together nice and tight. Push on it. It should come right back out. Like that. That's awesome. Then you grab a spring. One of the ones you just had. That guy. Grab one of your bucket and on the bottom buckets. There you go. You have a rebuilt. Oh, hello. A rebuilt MGT spring. Awesome. There you go. So that one's rebuilt. And you grab your next one. And do the same process. Bring it all the way up. all the way back down. Then need to top her up again, just a bit. Lid on. And then you do that to all of the rest of them. And continue and continue and continue. Okay, second last one. We are on to the last one. So one more time. Yeah. Oh, I put some air bubbles in that. Very good. That's the best it's gonna get. Don't need this many. One big one. One for the shock. Spring. Keeper. And you have yourself some rebuilt shocks. That one I'm gonna have to look at, but it works nice. Works nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is something wrong with this. I think it's too full. Let's see. So this is what happens if they're too full. You can't do anything. You're like, what the heck, right? You back that guy back off a little bit, and yeah, I think it's a little too full. Give it just like a little bit out. See what that does for you. Perfect. So that happens sometimes, you know. Just didn't necessarily mean to. It just kind of happened. So now, number 8 is good too. No. 8 shocks ready to be rebuilt. Now we grab the MGT 8.0. This truck is my gorgeous baby. It is brand new, pretty much, and I'm gonna make a quick video installing some shocks on this thing. At least I hope. You guys have a great day. Enjoy, like, and subscribe. Hopefully you guys learned something for the new people. Enjoy.